Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Are you somebody who is a grade 5, a grade 6, a grade 7, and you want to do online tuitions anywhere where you're located? Now you can contact us on WhatsApp you can see our WhatsApp line 095 33 12 04, and then we are able to educate you on how you can effectively do your online tuitions and prepare for your exam. Remember, we are able to help you grade 5 to 7. Okay, let's go into the main thing right now. Okay, so our WhatsApp line, you can see it there in case you want to contact us to do your online tuition, so that we help you to know how to answer past papers and train you how to effectively pass your exams. You can see our WhatsApp line there is +26 095 333 1204. You can see it's on top there, the WhatsApp line. For those ones who want to do online tuitions, let us help you. Okay, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button right now. There's a subscribe button down, so hit and then you subscribe. Okay, let's go to the question now. Question 1. We're looking at question 1. We are adding what? Adding 33. Okay, 33, 3, 9, 1. Okay, you're adding it to 9, 1, 4, 47. So you're adding those numbers. Okay, we are adding those numbers. Okay, so we are adding those numbers. Okay, so when we add these, what do you get? Okay, so we add 1 plus 9, it's 10. You write 0 carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 1, 11. So it's 1 carry 1. 3 plus 4, 7. Plus this one down here, 8. Okay, so there it's 8. And then the 7 plus 3, 10. 0 carry 1. And then that is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, so it's 80, 81, 10. 80, 81, 10. So our answer here is actually this one. 80, 81, 10. That's how you add those numbers. Okay, let's go to the next question. So you can even pause the video and try the question. You can pause the video, try the question. Pause this video, try the question, and then see what you're going to get before I show you how to solve it. Okay, now let's solve question 2. The next two numbers are in a sequence, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So these are in a sequence. So there is 5, 7, 9, 11. So what number difference do you see? What number difference do you see? From 5 to 7. So from 5 to 7, what's the difference? 5 to 7 is, what's the difference? Okay, 7 minus 5, what's the difference? 2. So here the number difference is 2. And then the number difference again from 7 to 9, it's also 2 here. Because for it from 7 to 9, it's 2. Okay, because 9 minus 7, it is actually 2. Okay, and then the difference 9 to 11 is also 2. Okay, 11 minus 9 here, it's actually 2. So it's 2. So it means the difference here is just 2. So they were adding 2 to each number. They were adding 2. So 5, when you add 2, you get 7. 7, when you add 2, you get 9. 9, when you add 2, you get 11. What about 11 when you add 2? What do you get? 11 when you add 2. So 11 plus 2, you get what? 13. Okay, 13. So it's 13. Again, 13 when you add 2, what do you get? We need two numbers. 13 when you add 2. So to 13, again you add 2. What do you have? 13 plus 2, you get 15. So it is actually 13 and 15, which is the answer. So 13 and 15 are the answers. So the answer is this one, 13 and 15. Okay? Because from each number, there was 2 that was added. Okay? Or they were subtracting 7 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 11 minus 9. Okay? So it means 2 was the one that was a difference between each number. Okay, let's go to the next question, guys. Okay, so here they're asking us, write this in index form. So the first thing that you do when they give you something like this, you bring your 8 there, and then you count how many 8s do we have? How many 8s do we have? We've got 1. How many 8s do we have? There is 1, that's first 8, 2, second 8, 3, third 8, 4, and then 5, 8. So it's 8 to the power 5. Why? Because the 8s are 5. So it's 8 to the power 5. Okay? 8 to the power 5. So the answer is this one. 8 to the power 5. So 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. They are 8 5. So it's 8 to the power 5. Okay? Okay? Because it's 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. Okay? Times 8. So they are 8 5. So how many 8s do we have? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, as you can see them on top there. Okay, let's go to the next question, guys. The next question, we're subtracting those two numbers. What do we do? So that means 96. Okay, 96, 47, 61. Okay, you are subtracting 2. You start with the last number, 9, 8, 1, 7, 3. Okay, we are subtracting these numbers. Okay, so what do we have? 1 minus 2, it can't, so you get 1 from 6. 6 becomes 5. You add 1 to this one, becomes 11. 11 minus 2, it's 9, so you put 9 there. 5 minus 9, it can't, you get 1 from 7. 7 will become 6 to reduce minus 1. You add 1 to 5, and then 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9, what do you have? It is 6. So it is 6 there. And then what do you have? 6 minus 8, it can't, you get 1 from 4. 4 will become 3. And then you add 1 to 16, to 6, it becomes 16. 16 minus 8, it is actually 8. Okay? And then what do you have? That you have 3. So this 3 on top minus 1, it will give you 2. Okay? It will give you 2. And then 6 minus 7, it can't. You get 1 from 9. 9 will become 8. You add 1 to 6, 16. So 16 minus 7, it is 9. Okay? It is 9. And then 8 minus 3, it is 5. So it is 59, 28, 69. 59, 28, 69. 59, 5, 92, 86, 9. So the answer here is this one. The answer here, it is this one, is our answer. Okay, guys, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Okay. Before I do it for you, try it in your book. You can pause the video and then try it. Okay. And then the answer you wait for me to do. So what do we have here, guys? That is 3 point... what do we have? That is 3 point... Okay. 3 0.257. We are subtracting 0 point. Remember, the point should be on the same in the same line, and then 0 there, and then 7 there, and then 5. We are subtracting those, so we are subtracting these. What do we get? So 7 minus 5, it's 2. 5 minus 7, it can't get 1 from 2. 2 becomes 1, and then you put 1 on 5, it becomes 15. 15 minus 7, it is actually 9. Okay, 15 minus 7 is actually 9. 15 minus 7, oh, 8, sorry, not 9. 15 minus 7 is actually 8. So there it's 8. And then 1 minus 0, it's 1 point, and then here 3. So it will be 3.182. So our answer is this one. Okay, let's go to the next question, guys. The next question, this is interesting. Okay, so those ones who haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. Okay, now let's go to the next question, guys. Got the next 60% as a percentage. Express 60% as a percentage. Okay, so it says 60 over 100. You're expressing it as a percentage because percent is always out of 100. So what do? You're expressing this one as a percentage. What do? The first thing that you do is you cancel the zeros. Okay, you cancel the zeros. So this 0 goes with this 0. What remains there? It is 6 over 10. Then you express 6 over 10 as a decimal. What do? What's your next thing? So is equal to, and then you say 10 into 6, it can't, so you put 0, you put point. Then you add 0 to this 6 here, so you add like a small 0 there, it becomes 60. 10 into 60, it is 6. So this is the answer, 0.6. Okay, why did I cancel the zeros? So that I can reduce a fraction to 6 over 10. And then 10 into 6, it can't, you put 0 point, you add 0 to the 6 on top. 10 into 60, it is 6. So the answer is actually 0.6. This one is the answer. Let's go to the next question. The next question is, a man bought 2 pieces of material measuring 1.75 and 1.5. How many meters of material did he buy altogether? When they say altogether, what they mean is addition. When they say altogether, what they mean is addition. You are supposed to add these numbers. Addition, it means to add the numbers. Addition. So it means we are adding 1.75 plus 1.5. You remember the point should be in one direction. 1.5, I bring this one here, and then the point. Always a point should be on the same direction. 1.5. Okay? You see these points are in one direction, and then I put like this. Since here there is no number, you just put a 0 here, a placeholder. Since there is no number there, you put a placeholder 0. Then you add 5 plus 0, it is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. You write 2, you carry 1. You carry 1 there. 1 plus 1, okay, there's addition here. 1 plus 1, it is 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 3.25. So the answer is that one. 3.25 is our answer. Okay? They said all together, it means they are supposed to be added. Let's go to the next question, guys. 10 pieces of salt cost that. How much will 8 pieces cost? Okay, so 10 cost that. What about 8? So 10 cost that. What about 8? So what do? You say 10 pockets. We say 10 pockets. 10 pockets cost what? 200 kwacha. Okay. What about 8 packets? Will cost X. We do not know. This is an arrow. So what do? You cross multiply like this. So you say this 10 times x, it will become 10x is equal to this 8, you multiply it by the 200 on top there, it becomes 1600. It becomes 1600 like this, 1600 like this. Okay, then when you reach here, you divide by 10 this side, even this side by 10, because you are trying to find x. So this cancels, that cancels. Okay, x is equal to, so you cancel the 0 there, you cancel the 0 there. 160 divided by 1, it is 160. So it is 160 what? Kwacha. You put k there. 160 kwacha is the answer. So our answer here, it is 160 kwacha, this one. So you say 10p, which is 10 pockets, p means pockets, is equal to 200. 10 pockets is equal to 200. What about 8 pockets is equal to x? We do not know how much 8 is. And then you put those two arrows, you cross multiply. 10 times x to be 10x there. Okay, let's go to the next question, guys. Next question. This is lovely. Okay, calculate the simple interest. Okay, I taught you simple interest, guys. You're going to get a distinction. Simple interest is equal to, so interest is equal to PRT. I taught you is equal to PRT. If you remember what I said, PRT. This is interesting. So interest is equal to, I'll use abbreviations so that I don't confuse you. So simple interest is equal to what? PRT. Okay, simple interest is equal to PRT. Remember what I said concerning PRT, yeah? P, it means the money put. How much money was put? 1,000. You can see it. It's 10,000 here. It's here. This one. There's 10 there, and then there are 3 zeros there. So it is 1,000, the money that was put, times the rate. It's 5%. So it is 5 over 100%, is always out of 100, times the time is actually 4 years. You can see it here, 4 years. This one here, 4 years. So you put 4 here. Then you cross. Then you solve. Any number on its own is over 1. Any number on its own is over 1. Then you solve now. What do you have here? Guys, this is interesting. You cancel the zeros there. The 2 zeros come out. The 2 zeros come out. So I've got 10 on top. So 10 on top times 5. It makes 50. 50 times 4. 50 times 4, that is 200. So 200 kwacha. That is a simple interest, because it's going to be over 1, and any number over 1 it's itself, so it's 200. Okay, the simple interest is 200. I think I taught you this formula and how to use it. Okay, so it's 200 kwacha. So that is 200 kwacha, guys. Okay, let's go to the next question, guys. Quite interesting. FM Tuition Academy is the coolest school ever. So the next question is, in the equation y divided by 4 is equal to 9, what is the value of y? So when they say y in the question, if they give you a question and then they tell you y divided by 4 is equal to 9, this y means, this division means dash. So if I say y divided by 4, I also mean y over 4. That's what I mean. Is equal to 9. How do I find y? Any number on its own is going to be over 1. So it means this 9 is going to be over 1. Okay? There's an equal sign there. Then you can cross multiply. So this y on top times 1, it is y. Okay? And then is equal to this 4 here multiplies with the 9 this side. You're cross multiplying. The number down multiplies with the number the other side. So 4 times 9. 4 times 9. It will give you 36. So the answer here is 36, guys. It is 36. Okay, if you don't use this method, you can actually solve it in a way like I put like this. Okay, so this y times, so it is 1, this one here times this y here. Okay, y times, you multiply them, you cross multiply. So it means y, open bracket, means times, like this, is equal to, again, this 4 here down, this 4 down multiplies with the 9 this side. So it means 4, open bracket, times 9. Okay, bracket means times. So 1 times y, it is y, is equal to 4 times 9, it is 36. So meaning our answer is 36. Our answer is actually 36 here. Next question. The next question. Okay. Do you have the next question? No, that's the last question, guys. So thank you for tuning. This is FM Tuition Academy. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you need to share this broadcast right now. Click share with family and friends. Share to your friends. Tell your friends about this school, F.M. Tuition Academy. FM Tuition Academy, the best online school ever. So I love you all. Thank you for tuning. And if you want to contact us, remember you can contact us on or WhatsApp us on +26. Write that, +26 09 5 33 3 12 04. I repeat it. If you want to contact us, you WhatsApp us on +26 09 33 again 3 then 12 04. Thank you for joining.